beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. Yes, friends, singles who is coming for you in the month of October. Yes, friends, this is a charms reading. I will be pulling the initials as you all requested for this reading. And friends, do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot if you haven't already. Subscribe, like, and share. And friends, don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Friends, this is friends a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also friends, you know, you can watch this is for October, but you can watch it anytime, friends, because many people come again to confirm the reading, so you can watch it anytime to confirm or understand your life better. So this is for singles. Even if you are in a relationship, you can still watch it, because you can know whether you are going to be with that person or someone else is coming for you, just if you are curious. So friends, today's choices are really cute. They are my favorite. These colors, these leaves, these hearts, I don't know what you call them. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option number 1, this beautiful silver leaf. Option number 2, this beautiful purple leaf, magenta leaf. Option number 3, this beautiful golden leaf. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section. Like always, you can directly go there and skip to the number that you have chosen. You can pause the video, take more time to choose your pile. You can choose more than one pile. You can watch the entire reading, friends, not a problem. And so let's see, for those who chose option number, we'll use the initials at the end of this pile, every pile. So let's see. For those who chose option number 1, this beautiful silver leaf, let's see who's coming for you in the month of October. This is your romance angels, this is your advice. And friends, you can also watch October pick a card readings. I have done October love and relationships reading, October general pick a card reading. There are subtitles, captions there, so you can watch and enjoy the readings no matter the language. Yes, we are working hard for you, friends. Do subscribe to keep me motivated. Your cards are the Fool, interesting, and the World. The Chariot, very powerful, 3 major arcanas. Queen of Rods, King of Rods. Wow, the Queen and the King both are here. Interesting. And the 5 of Rods. Oops. Why the 5 of Rods? And the 10 of Swords. Oh my God. Service and Perception. Very interesting. So if you are single, pile number 1, get ready to mingle, because someone is coming, friends. Someone is coming towards you in October. This person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you both could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. This person is someone who is very passionate, extremely good looking. This person is very bold. They are a go-getter. They know what they want and they will achieve it. This person could be your twin flame. This person could be someone you have dated in the past. Who is coming towards you in October? Pile number 1 is singles. Someone you had a falling out with. You may be in touch with this person, or you may not be in contact with this person. Some of you are, but things are not going well, because there is conflict with this person. There is disharmony in you and this relationship, or there has been an ending in your love life. I do see there is a very strong chance that person with which you ended things, they are going to come back into your life in October. This Aries, Leo, Sag person, this twin flame, this soulmate, they are coming back, friends. They are coming back. But I do see that you don't get along well with this person. If you are really single and there is no one in your life, this is a new person. This is someone that you meet from your work or through social media. They are from a different culture. They are from America or from Canada or some other, New Zealand. Maybe they come from a spiritual or indie culture. I don't know what's the indigenous culture, some tribe. They come from that. But, friends, this person, whether they are new or someone you don't get along with this person. I think you both will be very bold, you both are very passionate, and you both are a little headstrong. So, getting along with this person will be a little tough. But making plans about the future, talking about things you love, like, hobbies, traveling, or talking about your travel experiences or their travel experiences, that will make you very happy and excited. This person is exciting. They are very exciting. They want to know you. They want to share their experiences. They want to take things on the next level with you. This person has traveled the world, and they will have a lot of knowledge about different people or different ideas, cultures. So, this is a person who knows a lot and talks a lot and shares about it. I also feel, friends, this is it's 50-50. Some of you know this person, there has been an ending with this person, they want to come back, take a leap of faith towards you, and even when they do come back, things will be a little challenging because you know you don't you both are strong. You both are strong. You are both go-getters, you both try to dominate each other. So it's exciting, it's passionate, it's enticing, yet at the same time, oh my god, the egos, the passions, the angers, the sparks will fly. What else? I do see, if this is a person from your past, they will offer you an apology, or they will try to be as your friend or something, like, hey, I'm here, let's talk, I missed you. If this is a new person, friends, they will try to be your friend first, and then you will date them or come into a relationship. I don't see initially only, there will be a spark. You will feel very attached or attracted to this person, new person, but they will start as a friend to you, like, hey, let's be friends, like that. They will offer you this white rose of friendship, of love. I do feel, friends, you may also be a little I feel whoever is coming towards you in October, singles, pile number one, they are coming from a family, or they are coming from a time when they are very busy. This person may be having someone to look at their home, like elderly parents, or you have some family issues going on, like you have to look after people, or maybe this person is a doctor, a nurse, a physician, a therapist, or they are an emergency, like the warriors of the current situation. This person is working for that. So this person and you both will be busy. Either you are working in those areas or this person. So this person and you will be busy, so it will be a difficult time to match your schedules. Maybe they are from a different country, so when you sleep they are awake. So you are like, what am I going to do? This is like, how do we match the time zones? So that was there. I also feel, friends, very strongly, you already 90%, at least 80% of you know this person. And they could be an ex-lover, twin flame, soulmate, ex-husband, wife, someone they ruined things with you, they just made things very bad with you. They will be coming back because they want to fix this situation. And also because they are dealing with a lot of things in their life. They are looking after maybe an aged parent or someone ill in their family or in their work, so they are a little tired. So they will come to ask your help or just to talk with you. Perception. Yes, friends, the person you are going to meet or in October, new person, or already you will not like them, or you will have a certain perception about them, like certain opinion, like, oh, this person is egoistic, oh, we don't get along well, oh, this person likes to travel, they like to show off, they like to do this, they like to do that. But friends, I would suggest you to keep your mind open, because this person may behave differently towards you because they have a lot going in their life. Maybe this person is themselves ill, or they are suffering, or someone in their family is. So, or maybe in your family you have a lot on your plate in October, you are busy, this person is also busy. So, the issues that are happening between you, the fights, the conflicts, it is because, give them a benefit of doubt, I would say. Because you'll be quick to judge this person, you'll be quick, 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 but don't be that quick. You will make a very quick opinion about them, or they will make a very quick opinion about you. I will take a clarifier here, angels. Clarify the perception, who is coming. But it will be also a very quick developing relationship also, You will get along well, you will talk. Once you get out of this perception, opinion, judgments, things will flourish. See, innocence. Keep your innocence. If this is a past person, don't judge them. Keep your innocence. Keep your heart open. I see, even if new people are coming, you will try to judge them, like, oh, they will hurt me, oh, they are so busy, oh, we don't get along well, oh, we have an age gap, oh, this, oh, that. Don't do that. Keep your heart open. Keep your heart open. That's very necessary. Who's coming for... See, again, Aries, Leo, Sag person. The Page of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Definitely, this person could be younger than you also. They can have an age difference. They could be elder to you. There is an age gap. This person is slightly immature or egoistic. They behave childishly at times. Even in October, you may find they are behaving differently. But it is because this person is going through something, friends. They are going through something. Courage. I think this is the time to take your move, friends. Option number 1, be courageous, be bold, keep your mind, keep your heart open. New people and new starts are coming for you in October, and that will lead to love. This new start, this positive change. Keep your heart open, be innocent. Let's see your advice, then we'll see the love messages and the initials. Choose your battles. Number 7. Yes, friends, it is necessary to choose your battles wisely. Why? Because, there will be a lot. You'll be busy, friends, in October. Go ahead and check the October. I will link the October readings, maybe on the above. You can see it here, if I remember, but they are in the description box, definitely, so you can look there. I would say, don't try to fight away this connection. Don't try to fight with this person. Don't try to judge them. Just let love be. Allow love to come in and allow love to go, flow. Blossom. Number 20. Work on your relationships. Don't judge people. Work on your relationships. Keep your heart open. And if you are trying to manifest a lover, yes, it is coming. But you need to keep your heart and mind open and innocent. Let's see your romance, angels. Unrequited love. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Yes. Someone who hurted you, who was not there when you wanted them to be, someone who rejected your love, they will try to come and win you again in October. Or this person is already there in October with you, or they will be coming back from the past, and you are not going to like it. But I do see there is a chance, there is a chance of things developing if you understand them. This person has some issues. I'll have to clarify. This person has some issues, friends, because you have the service card. This person rejected you for a reason, maybe because they were married to someone else, maybe they had karma to look after their family, maybe they rejected you because it was their karma, or it was their lesson to learn, to part from you and grieve over you and then to win you back. So don't I don't know how to say this. This is a very deep reading now. Fighting. This person is fighting this connection. They will come back, friends. They will come back whether you like it or not in October. They will come back. They will try to win you. I don't know if you will let them win you or not, but yes, they will try. And let's see if there is another one or another person, if we can get some initials for option number one. Who is coming towards singles? Option number one. If you don't like this pile or the answers, choose another pile, friends. Nothing about that. You can choose any pile. If you feel you don't want this person and this is the past person coming back, you seriously don't want them, choose another pile. You can choose, here is the Fool. You may see them, but you may not want them, right? You can choose anything. They may come towards you, that's the energy. But the final decision is yours. You may not say yes to them. They may want you. This person may meet you from online, internet. I see net here. Let's just turn them over first and then let's talk. There is a blank, so yeah, if your person's name or initials are not here, take the blank. Okay. So net is here. You may meet this person online through social media. And see, Mary is here. Maybe their name is Mary, or maybe the question is to get married to them. They don't want to, or they are already married to someone else. I don't know what's the issue here, but maybe marriage is big thing. Maybe their name is Mary. 10 is also here. Maybe 10 is important for you. Wit. Yes, this person is witty. You are also witty, intelligent. You see so many yous. This person rejected you, now they want you back because they see your potential. And here is the extra blank. If your person's initials are not here, you can use this one for that. There is L. There are two L here. Wow. LOL. Laugh out loud. You I think the situation is very funny that will happen in October for you. This person, there was a time when you wanted this person, but they rejected you. But in October, they will be after you. And you'll be like, come on. You'll be like, come on, baby. Really? Seriously? No? You'll be like, LOL. All right, and their name could be Neeti, Mary, or Wit. What else? What else can you make out of this? Who? So you may like this person so. Like some days you like them, some days you don't like them. So that energy is also there. And time, Tina or some name can also be made out of this. Time is also important. You feel like this person has run out of time for you, or this person never has the time for you, or like there is no time between you. Time zones are different, so you never meet on the same page. Maybe this is your twin flame, so whenever you are never on the same page, but this is the right time for you, friends. Marriage is important. I also feel this, whatever this is happening in October involves marriage, or you want to get married with this person or something like that. Marriage is on your mind. So let me know. These are your words: TINEMARYWITUUULOL and S. So those are your words, initials. Let me know if you can make more words out of that. Let me know in the comment section. And that's it for now. I hope you will subscribe Magic Vends Tarot, like this video, join us on Instagram and on our website www.magicvendstarot.com if you want to buy a personal reading to know what's going on in this connection, because this seems like too deep a connection. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Those who chose option number 2, this magenta leaf, let's see who is coming towards you. Singles or ready to mingle people. Let's see. This is your love advice, advice and love advice. Let's see. Your cards will also be looking at charms. Your cards are 2 of Pentacles, the 2 of Cups. Wow, 2. This is interesting. the Knight of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the Six of Rods, the Queen of Cups. My God, three people are here. Good Lord. And the Four of Cups and Perseverance. Wow. Yes, yes, yes. A relationship is coming towards you in October. Congratulations. First thing, pile number two, what I'm seeing is that in October you are going to be extremely busy. You're going to be extremely busy. You will be you will be juggling many things. You will be juggling like work, traveling. There is too much on your plate this month. You will be busy. This is a busy month for you. There is a lot on your mind. I feel mentally, emotionally, you will feel a little drained this month because there is too much on your mind. I also feel, friends, there is definitely a relationship coming towards you. Someone wants to offer you this Two of Cups of love, friendship, soulmate connection, romance. Yes, it is coming for you. I feel, you are waiting for someone who is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I think, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. You are waiting for someone specific in your life. But I don't see that person making a move towards you in October. I feel that this person will be again taking their time and waiting and not making a move towards you. But there is someone else coming towards you, this Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I feel this person is coming towards you. They are mature, they are bold, they are very loving, they are very kind and understanding, and this person will be a perfect partner to you because they are the queen and the king. Look at this, king and queen, they are both of the same, king of cups, queen of cups. This is a perfect partner for you. I see you are waiting for love offer or you are waiting for this person to come towards you. Or you want this person, you love them, but someone else is coming. And someone else is going to offer this love. You may not want to accept it, but the connection you have with this person is amazing. It is beautiful. This is like a deep soulmate connection. This is your soulmate. This is someone you have shared many past lives with. Also, I do feel that a breakthrough will happen in your love life because currently your love life is stuck. Nothing is happening. You are single forever or ever. And you are like, when you feel like this Rapunzel who has never met anybody, never socialized, and you're like, you are living in this castle alone with your hairs growing long and you getting beautiful day by day, but where is your prince or princess charming? You are single as a Pringle, you're quite single. So your breakthroughs are coming. Yes, communications will open in the month of October for you, and there will be, I do feel, if this is not, if you don't have anybody in your past, there will be choice in your love life in October. There will be two people coming towards you. Someone who is younger, someone who is a banker or who is an engineer or who is into commerce, finance, money area, this person owns a lot of land or their family owns a lot of land. This person you like. You will like this person. You want to talk with them. But somehow this person will not talk much. Or they will talk, but they will be like on and off. So you will not feel you will feel attracted, but you will not feel like the relationship is going anywhere. But this other person, oh my God, this will be someone who is your age or someone elder than you. This person will be quite mature. This person will be quite loving. They will understand you on their own. They will offer you love. They will offer you value. Look at this, so pretty. And you will sit and, this person will also gift you something and they will talk to you on their own freely, amazingly. And this person could be someone you meet through your work or through some hobby that you do. This person who is coming, this Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or someone who is kind, nurturing, loving, this person will also offer you some advice regarding your work and career. It will make you very successful. So I do see choices in your love life. I do see two people coming towards you, or two people who are there. You want somebody, but there is other person who is more perfect for you. I also feel that communications will improve. Communications, or how people are communicating, or how communications are flowing, that's important for you in the month of October. But you will definitely have this two of cups of love for somebody, or somebody will offer you this partnership. Someone will want to date you. I do see, if you are single and want to date, yes, there you may go on two dates. You may go one after the other on two dates, but you will end up choosing the person that you don't like, but they will be perfect for you. You will like this person who is ignoring you, or who is a little confused about you. Perseverance. You will choose the person who gives you constant love, constant affection, or a steady flow of love and communications. I do feel your love life is stuck. There is like stuck. This is like stuck energy. Things will open up, friends. Things will open in the month of October. Things will move forward. Love, confessions of love, proposals. I feel both of these people will want you. This person will also try to win you, but this person is a little boring. I don't know if you will get along with them. And this person will be slow. They will take their time. This person, on the hand, they will be very ready for you, giving you compliments, talking to you. So some of you may choose both of them and talk with them, or get to know them in the month of October, both of them. So you will be double timing them, not like in a bad way. Sometimes you can date two people like as friends. You can know them, not like that you are sleeping around with them. I don't see that happening here also, because this is like a connection, a beautiful friendship happening, someone getting to know you. What else? You will choose the person who is, who is solid, and who is giving and nurturing. See, the miser, Four of Pentacles. There is someone who is keeping you waiting and waiting and waiting, and you want that person. You want that person to talk to you, share their heart with you. Oh my God, but this person is taking forever to talk with you. Look, Eight of Pentacles, ordinariness. So this person will, if you already know someone, they will make you wait forever. So this person you will have to choose, because this person is loving, caring, nurturing. Inner voice, you will have to trust your inner voice, friends. If you are waiting for someone or a fantasy, you can wait forever. But I also feel some of you will offer someone love, but they may not reply back, or their reply may not be very warm. In that situation, move on. I'm warning you right now, because it can lead to disappointment. Because you may have proposed or have a crush on this person. You want to work things out with them. You propose them. You talk to them. You be there for them. But they don't reciprocate. So what do? You listen to your inner voice. And I also see there is a mature love coming towards you. There is a mature giving relationship coming towards you. Choose that. It is your choice at the end of the day. What else will happen for singles? Ooh, see, sharing, the king, Aries, Leo, Sag, the queen of wands. So definitely be bold, be passionate, and don't, doubt your potential. Don't let anybody tell you you are not good enough or you are not amazing. Don't doubt. If this person, if anyone is not receiving you or reciprocating their love, don't doubt it. Just move on, because there is too much love for you in October. I also feel, friends, you may be a little busy with work also. So because I do see success there, so you are a little busy with work. Let's see your advice, then we'll see the initials. Sacral chakra number 2. Yes, sexual chemistry, attraction, passion. You want someone because you feel sexually attracted to them. They want you because it's sexual attraction, lust. It is deep, intoxicating passion. You want this person. You long for them. You want to touch this person. But It could be lust, it could be an infatuation, it may or may not be love, but there is someone who can offer you love rather than lust. Choice is yours, friends, choice is yours. Which one you will choose? Win or lose? Yes, you may feel October is like you are losing, but you are winning, but you are losing because you want somebody, that person is not coming. Or you want someone, like, you want to do a love marriage but it's not happening, but arranged marriage proposals are coming, so you choose say yes to them. Or someone very mature is coming towards you, you don't like it, but you say, but this person really charms you, they entice you, so you feel like love is, you are winning but you are losing. Love is a winning, or win and lose. There is sexual chemistry, there is a lot of passion, there will be infatuation, and you may date two people. So take, there may be a one night stand with someone. Don't judge me, friends. I only say what's here. Maybe some of you, it's not like some of you want it, it's like it may happen. So be careful. If you don't want it, it's your choice, friends. I'm only saying things. What you do with your life is your choice at the end of the day. I can only show you what you see in the mirror, and what you end up doing with that information is yours. Let's see your advice. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Yes, absolutely. Stay optimistic, friends. Don't be negative or pessimistic. There are many options in life. There is a lot happening for you in October. Let's see your charm, initials for the month of October. Who is coming towards sign number 2? Let's see. I don't know why they always come out all face down. Like they are sleeping or something. These letters. Wow. You have D. You have D, Q, Z, T, R. You have don't. Yeah. Yes, someone may not be ready for love, or someone may be an infatuation. There is love and lust both coming your way. It's up to you to choose them. There is also a quiz. Wow, you may meet someone. Someone is confusing you. Quiz. Wow, that's interesting. Someone is confusing you. There is a relationship or attraction which will confuse you between love and lust. The choice is yours, friends. You can accept it or you may not. Fret is there, rat is there. Yeah, rat is like someone very naughty is coming, someone very curious, or you are very curious to know people this month, so you may try to know two people. Nothing wrong about it. And there is also E here. What else? Maybe this person lives in the mountain, because there is the fir trees, alpine trees. They are in the mountains, so maybe you both are from the mountains, or this person lives near mountains, hills, oceans, something like that. Bat, yeah, you have to keep your eyes open, friends. Bats are like information coming your way. Inner voice, trust your intuition, keep your eyes open. Any words you can make, any names. Frida, I think you can make Frida out of this. Maybe their name is Freddy or Frida, Freddy, Rita, Beta, maybe their name is Beta, Alpha, Beta, You never know. People have these cute names. And what else? Nita, Tina, Zeta, maybe their name is Zeta, Frezzy. What else? Maybe their name is with Z or Q or something, I don't know. Far, yes, there is a connection that will go long for you. Long distance, maybe this is a long distance connection. Fair, yes. Fare is like money, the payment you pay for traveling somewhere. Fare, how much is the fare? So yes, there is a lot happening actually this month for you singles. You will have options. There is lust, there is love, and you will find it confusing and quizzing to choose one. So your letters you can see again: DONT, QUIZBITFARE. So that's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot if you enjoyed this reading. Like this video and let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. Friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. Friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful golden leaf, let us see singles who is coming towards you. This is your romance angels. This is your advice. We'll be pulling charms at the end of this reading. Let's see your cards. Ooh, the Queen of Swords in reversed. Interesting, very interesting. The Nine of Cups, wish is coming true. The King of Swords, oh my god, the King and the Queen both are here. The Justice, Eight of Swords, the Nine of Rods, oh my god. Oh my god, Seven of Rods, Nine of Pentacles, Judgment, Release, and Grief. Good Lord. Friends, I see your focus on this month is not at all on love. Trust me. You will start this month, although this is about singles love, but I see that your focus is lot on getting successful, getting independent, being successful, being financially independent, or finding a partner that is financially, mentally independent, or someone who lets you to be yourself. You have figured out something, that independence is vital to you, it is important to you, and you are happy when people give you space, or understand your boldness. I feel pile number 3, you are very unique because you have chosen this gold leaf. So I feel you may be very famous, or it is your destiny to be famous, to be rich, or you are a unique soul and you need some space. You need someone who is not afraid of your success. So this month, your main focus is on yourself, your work, your priorities, your career, your finances, and definitely in love, you are feeling a little stuck. You are feeling a little scared to open your heart again. You are feeling like you can't trust anybody. You are very defensive in love. You had gone through a lot, friends, in the past. You had gone through, maybe a marriage has broken for you, maybe a long term relationship like 6-7 years relationship has broken for you at one point of time, or you really, you had been single forever, so you are like scared to date again, or to just know people again. You are very scared. You are very scared. You are defensive. You even have self doubt about love. Like, people will cage you if you love them. If you marry them, they will cage you. You will feel like a bird which is tied rather than a free bird. Judgment and justice are both here. Good Lord, you are very powerful this month, friends. Very powerful. God bless anyone who comes in your path, because you are unstoppable. You are unstoppable. And yes, you will be lucky in love. That's your destiny. You have not been lucky in love till now. Anyone you date or fall in love with, they ditch you, they just mistreat you, they cause you pain, they cause you grief, and they just run away. I also feel, friends, in October, you may be, focusing on other areas of your life rather than love. First is finances. Second is you are following your life destiny. Maybe your destiny is telling you to do something, like start a life goal or change your life path or something. I also feel you may be nursing a broken heart or a passing of someone in October. Maybe a pet is lost, or maybe someone in the family. You are missing someone. You are just missing them. You feel you are unlucky in love, friends, but the truth is you are extremely lucky in love, and October will prove it to you. You are extremely lucky in love. I definitely feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be coming towards you, making a move towards you. I also feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will be making a move towards you. I feel, friends, some of you have once married this person, or this person was your once your husband or wife, or you were engaged with them, or this person is someone who caused you a lot of grief. So this person will come back, but you will be extremely defensive about this person. You will be extremely tough to this person. You will feel like this person is coming to cage you again, but you want your independence. This person will have to fight for your love. Whoever is coming for you in October, friends, they have to fight for your love. They have to prove that they are worthy of you, because you are extremely powerful. You know what you want, you know what you deserve, and you will not be settling for less. So only strong people will be coming towards you. Someone is coming towards you that have a past with you, or they were with you in your past life. If you have nobody in your life, you have never dated anyone or anything, this person who is coming in October, they were with you in a past life. You had a complex relationship with this person. They are coming towards you, absolutely. It will start as a very happy relationship. You will feel very excited. You will feel very happy. You both will be like mirrors of each other. Look at this. The queen and the king. You are mirrors. You are perfect for each other. But look at this. You are the male and the female, you complete each other in every way, but this is a strong, and there will be a fight for independence. You know what you want, you will not settle for less. If this person doesn't prove their worth, doesn't fight for you, doesn't release their past, then you will not accept them. Maybe this person is another, I don't want to say this, but maybe this person is married, but they still will come towards you, and you will fall in love with them because it is your destiny. Or this person has kids, or they are coming out of a relationship or a divorce when you meet them in October. So you will be very sure of what you want. You will tell them you have to fight, you have to do changes, then only you will accept them, otherwise not. You are in a powerful mood, friends. See, you are in a powerful mood. In fact, most of you will focus on work and your life destiny rather than on love, but love is coming. So who is coming? Someone who has a destiny, has shared a past life with you, or someone who is married or has gone through a breakup or a divorce or something, or someone, they once wanted to marry you. That person is coming back. Good Lord. But you are like so sure, oh God. Whew, the mind in reverse, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You are not ready for love this month. Your mind is elsewhere, friends. Your mind is elsewhere. Your mind isn't open. Your mind, or this person who is coming, they are not ready for love. See, Two of Cups. I would say, friends, if someone comes your way in October and you are really not in a mood for love, like love is not my cup of tea, stay friends with them. Because this person is coming because they have a destiny with you, they have a purpose with you. Stay friends. If you don't want love, focus on friendships. That will be your best option this month. Trust me, because something is going on. Two of again two energies. There is 9 9 9, there is 2 2 2, there is 8 and 9 here again. So there are 1 2 3 nines. See, 1 2 3. You are ending something. You are very close to ending something and starting something new. Two of possibilities. What else will happen for singles? Pile number 3. Stay as nothingness. You will say no to people coming. I have a very strong feeling, friends. You are going to reject everyone. You are not even going to talk with them. You are not even going to give them a chance, because you are done with love. If this person doesn't, anyone who is coming towards you in October will have to fight and prove their love for you. But I would say, friends, don't make it so tough for them. Except start as friendships, start as friends. It will be good for you. Go with the flow, don't jump the gun, go with the flow. That's what I'm saying, friends. Don't be judgmental, don't be too harsh with this person. I keep getting that song, I have built a fortress around my heart. I think it is by Scorpions, or this is an old song. Go and check the lyrics. I have built a fortress around your heart. Now I don't know how to tear it down to come close to you. So that is there. Let's see your advice. Solar plexus issues. Definitely you are feeling unsafe in love. Your focus is mostly on success, on career, on money, on fame, on your life purpose, and you will accept anyone who is making, you know, who makes you feel happy, and who understands your individuality, and who doesn't cage you and make you unhappy. If they will have to fight for your love, absolutely. Healing begins, number 6. Definitely things are going to heal, friends. Don't give up on your love life, please don't give up. Let's see your romance angels. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Yes, the person you will meet in October, or if this is a past person who is returning back, yes, this is an important person. You do have a soul contract with them. How many times do I say this, friends? Phew, phew. Oh my god, this is hot connection, I'm like sweating. This person has done something to you. I don't know what they have done in the past life, if they are new, or in this lifetime, but you have a destiny with this person. Like it or not, give it some time, friends. Don't hate me for this reading, please. If you don't like this reading, choose another pile. I only say what I see, and this is such a strong message. Look at me, I'm sweating. So it's not every day you happens like this. I know it's true for you. You will come back and watch it and say, oh, good Lord, this happened for us. I know it's true. I can guarantee you that. I can bet you on that. No betting. It's illegal. Oh, wow. Oh, they are all upside down. I'll have to like arrange them. Wait a second. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie doopsie. So what songs are you listening, friends, these days? I think you should listen to some I. Yes, your focus, your mantra for the month is I. I, me, and myself. That's the most important thing for you. But remember, there is also the you, and there is also the we. We is also important. There is again you. You may attract a person who is as egoistic or as independent as you are, and getting along will become a problem. But I think you can achieve it, because you have the 9 of cups of happiness. So dine, I see dine. Yes, I do see you going out on a dinner date, or someone is going to take you out, diner, in a restaurant for dinner or something. I see cray, I don't know what's the word. There is R. There, someone from the past could be coming back. There is O. There is J. There is J, there is O, there is D, there are 2 D's actually, there is V, there is another U, there is C, there is T, there is M, and there is another R. You can make a crab. I don't know, what words can you make? I don't know. Cry, maybe. You can make rat. R-A-T, rat. Ram, yeah, ram could also be the name. There is also a blank. I don't know if rear. Yeah, rear is like past is important, Ria could be the name. Ria, Rina. There is also a blank. If you don't see your person's name, then the blank might be important for you. Cream is important. So yeah, you want the best of life. You want the best lover to be yours, because you are the cream of the life. You are the cherry on the top of the cake. So you want the best lover, and they have to work really hard to win you this month. Yes, anybody who is coming towards you, they will have to win you. They will have to take you to dinners, to dates, to prove that they are the one for you. The name can also be Jenny, Gia, Gia could be the word, Ria, Arya, Erin. Car, maybe they have a good car, maybe you want a car, I don't know what's going on. Red is important, maybe the color red is important. Sexual chemistry, passion, yes, you want someone that boosts your ego. So these are your words, friends. Take a look and let me know if you can make more words. X, J, O, V, C, D, T, R, M, U, I, U, 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 R, E, D, Q, C, A, R, D, I, N. So that's it for you, friends. If you enjoyed this reading, subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. Join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Instagram handle is Magic Wens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.